This is a very important message, and I want you guys to share this video to your family, your friends, all of your WhatsApp groups. Yes, we're going into campaign period in preparation for the general elections. And me, for one, I will be actively involved on all levels. Local government, governorship, Senate, House of Reps, all the way to the presidency. You cannot afford, did you hear me, to sit on the fence. Nigeria needs all of us. You go to church and you pray, we want a better Nigeria, but you are supporting a bad leader. Have sense, so. Because if we get it wrong next year, you will have yourself to blame. Now, straight to the message I want to pass across. As you are campaigning for your Oga, your leader, your Chiamo, I want you to have in mind that Nigerian politicians do not have a lot to lose. Oh. If Nigeria crashes and burns tomorrow, they don't have a lot to lose. Oh. Their families have dual citizenship. Oh. No be their children they suffer as to strike. Oh. Their children cannot relate to the suffer when Nigerian youths they suffer. They have money in their foreign accounts, so they can never know poverty till they die. Bad road does not affect them. Insecurity in Nigeria does not affect. They cannot relate. Who is insecurity affecting? Me and you. Who food scarcity, fuel scarcity, everything scarcity in Nigeria, they affect me and you. Drag your ear, have sense. So now a very typical example happened. A Nigerian politician was attacked. Let me ask you, who died? Nothing happened to him, but the police officers alongside with him died. His aides died inside of his bulletproof car. Nothing happened to him. My dear, let me ask you, you where they shot my Oga, my Chiamo, you get 350 million naira for bulletproof car. You get my advice. No do the campaign like saying na do or die, because now you go die. Them no go die. Vote what? Wisely. Vote wisely. Because when your mother sick for Abiyokuta, the healthcare is poor in Nigeria. When their mother sick, they have unlimited access to proper healthcare abroad. Me for one, as I go dey actively involved, I go drag everybody draggable. No vex. And when they send you to come attack me, I will drag you too. Nobody they feed me. This country must be better, because when it becomes better, it go favor you pass. It go favor me. It go favor all of us. Tell your friends and families to have sense. So next year should not be business as usual. Oh. We don't to die for this country. Oh. Have sense. So